Hey everyone, I will be showing you 5 best free AI logo makers that you should use in 2024. Choosing the right logo for your business is a pivotal step on the path to success. Your logo serves as the initial point of contact between your brand and potential customers, making it a crucial element in your overall branding and marketing strategy. A meticulously designed logo holds the power to significantly influence how your business is perceived in the eyes of your target audience. Therefore, the process of selecting the perfect logo is not to be taken lightly. In the ever-evolving landscape of logo creation, the advent of artificial intelligence or AI has ushered in a new era. AI-powered logo makers are gaining traction rapidly, providing businesses with a seamless and cost-effective solution to craft professional-looking logos without the necessity of engaging a graphic designer. The integration of AI technology in logo creation ensures efficiency, precision, and accessibility, making it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. As we delve into the year 2024, the landscape of AI logo makers continues to expand, offering a plethora of options for businesses seeking a tool that aligns with your unique needs. To assist you in navigating this evolving landscape and making an informed decision, we have meticulously curated a list of the 5 best AI logo makers of 2024. This compilation aims to provide insights into the distinctive features, user-friendliness, and overall performance of each platform, empowering you to choose the AI logo maker that best complements your business identity and aspirations. At the forefront of our carefully curated list of the best AI logo makers for 2024 is Logomaster.ai, cutting-edge logo design service tailored for startups, professionals, and small businesses. Fueled by the prowess of artificial intelligence, Logomaster.ai stands as a beacon for business owners seeking an efficient and cost-effective solution to craft visually appealing logos. This innovative platform distinguishes itself by offering a streamlined and user-friendly experience that empowers users to take control of their logo creation process. One notable advantage is the cost-effectiveness it brings to the table, providing a solution that is 10 times more economical than hiring a traditional graphic designer. This financial advantage is especially significant for startups and small businesses operating within budget constraints. The unique selling proposition of Logomaster.ai lies in its democratic approach to logo creation. By putting the creative reins in the hands of business owners, the platform ensures that the final outcome aligns precisely with the vision and preferences of the user. This hands-on approach not only allows for a more personalized logo, but also fosters a sense of ownership and creative involvement in the branding process. A noteworthy feature of Logomaster.ai is the flexibility it offers in terms of logo usage. Once a logo is purchased, it can be utilized for both commercial and non-commercial purposes, providing users with the freedom to leverage their brand identity across various platforms and contexts. This adaptability makes Logomaster.ai an ideal choice for businesses with diverse needs and applications for their logos. In essence, Logomaster.ai stands as a beacon of innovation in the realm of AI logo makers, empowering businesses to create captivating logos without breaking the bank. With its commitment to affordability, user control, and versatile logo usage, Logomaster.ai solidifies its position as a top choice for businesses looking to make a lasting impression through their visual identity in 2024. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. Discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Moving on to the second contender on our meticulously compiled list of the best AI logo makers for 2024, we have Logomaker. Renowned for its swift and intelligent approach to logo creation, Logomaker harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to analyze your brand information and generate a myriad of logos in a matter of seconds. This innovative platform is geared towards providing businesses with a quick, simple, and economical solution for crafting their brand identity. One of the standout features of Logomaker is its ability to deliver results with remarkable speed. By employing AI algorithms, Logomaker streamlines the logo creation process, ensuring that users can access a plethora of design options within seconds. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for businesses with time constraints, allowing them to swiftly move forward with their branding initiatives without compromising on quality. The simplicity embedded in Logomaker's interface adds another layer of appeal to the platform. Users, regardless of their design expertise, can navigate through the process effortlessly. This accessibility is crucial for businesses seeking a user-friendly solution that does not necessitate a steep learning curve or extensive design knowledge. In addition to its speed and simplicity, Logomaker goes beyond just generating a logo. The platform offers a comprehensive kit that includes design guidelines, prototypes of branded products, and social media logos. This holistic approach ensures that businesses not only secure a visually striking logo, but also receive essential tools and assets to maintain a consistent and cohesive brand image across various mediums. The inclusion of design guidelines is particularly noteworthy, as it provides businesses with a roadmap for maintaining brand consistency. This strategic component of Logomaker's offerings assists users in aligning their visual identity with their overarching brand strategy, promoting a unified and professional image. In summary, Logomaker emerges as a formidable player in the realm of AI logo makers, seamlessly blending speed, simplicity, and economic feasibility. With its ability to instantly generate a spectrum of design options and provide a comprehensive branding kit, Logomaker positions itself as an invaluable resource for businesses seeking an all-encompassing solution to their logo creation needs in 2024. As we navigate through the landscape of top-tier AI logo makers for 2024, the third noteworthy inclusion on our list is Logo AI. Distinguished for its commitment to crafting visually stunning designs, Logo AI sets itself apart by deploying a sophisticated Logo AI engine that seamlessly integrates both logo data and design best practices. This unique amalgamation of data-driven insights and design acumen positions Logo AI as a formidable player in the realm of AI-powered logo creation. One of the key strengths of Logo AI lies in its comprehensive understanding of logo data and design principles. The Logo AI engine, the heart of this platform, harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to assimilate extensive knowledge about diverse logos and incorporates best design practices. This ensures that the logos generated by Logo AI not only meet aesthetic standards but also adhere to strategic principles, aligning seamlessly with the overarching brand identity and messaging. Unlike conventional logo makers that rely on pre-made templates, Logo AI distinguishes itself by offering a dynamic and personalized approach to logo creation. The platform's logo builder is designed to produce fresh and individual designs for each client, mirroring creative nuances and unique characteristics of their brand. This bespoke approach contributes to the creation of logos that stand out in a crowded market, effectively differentiating businesses from their competitors. Logo AI goes beyond the mere generations of logos by providing a comprehensive set of logo formats and brand rules. This includes meticulous attention to details such as colors and fonts, echoing the proficiency of a skilled human designer. By offering a diverse array of logo formats, Logo AI ensures that businesses have the versatility to deploy their logos across various mediums and platforms, enhancing the overall adaptability and visual coherence of their brand presence. The departure from pre-made templates coupled with Logo's AI emphasis on personalized and dynamic logo designs showcases the platform's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI-driven creativity. As businesses seek to establish a distinct visual identity in 2024, Logo AI stands as a reliable partner offering a fusion of artificial intelligence and design excellence to elevate brand aesthetics to new heights. As we navigate the expansive landscape of AI logo makers in 2024, the fourth contender on our list that demands attention is Brandmark. Renowned for its prowess in crafting distinctive and professional logos, Brandmark stands as a beacon for businesses seeking an all-encompassing solution to their branding needs. The platform not only excels in generating unique logos but extends its capabilities to the creation of business cards, social media images, application icons, letterheads, and more, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to launch and establish a brand presence seamlessly. One of the standout features that positions Brandmark in a league of its own is its commitment to providing businesses with more than just a logo. Recognizing the multifaceted nature of brand representation, Brandmark ensures that its users can extend their brand identity across various touchpoints. This includes the creation of essential collateral such as business cards, which serves as tangible representation of a brand, and social media images, which play a crucial role in digital brand visibility. The inclusion of application icons and letterheads further underscores Brandmark's dedication to equipping businesses with the visual assets needed for a cohesive and impactful brand image. A noteworthy aspect that sets Brandmark apart from the competition is its personalized assistance feature. With the purchase of any package, Brandmark offers a helping hand through its Kickstart service, guiding users in customizing their logos to suit their unique vision and preferences. This hands-on approach goes beyond the automated processes of AI logo generation, fostering a sense of collaboration between the platform and its users. The personalized assistance ensures that businesses not only obtain a logo but also have the support needed to tailor to their exact specification, resulting in a truly bespoke brand representation. Brandmark's commitment to user engagement and satisfaction is further highlighted by its emphasis on customization. The platform's intuitive interface empowers users to tweak and refine their logos, ensuring that the final design aligns perfectly with their brand identity. This flexibility is invaluable for businesses that prioritize a high degree of control over their visual representation and seek a platform that can adapt to their unique requirements. In essence, Brandmark emerges as a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to forge a robust and distinctive brand identity in 2024. Its capabilities extend far beyond logo creation, encompassing a spectrum of brand assets, and its commitment to personalized assistance underscores its dedication to empowering businesses to shape their visual narrative effectively. As the business landscape continues to evolve, Brandmark stands as a reliable ally, providing the tools and support needed to launch and nurture a compelling brand presence. Concluding our exploration of the top-tier AI logo makers for the year 2024, the fifth and final contender on our list is Looka. This innovative platform seamlessly intertwines the power of artificial intelligence with your individual preferences for logo design, presenting an opportunity for businesses to construct a distinctive logo that resonates with their brand identity. Looka Logomaker sets itself apart by promising a seamless and enjoyable logo creation experience. With just 5 minutes and a few clicks standing between businesses and a uniquely crafted visual representation, the core strength of Looka lies in its ability to leverage artificial intelligence to synthesize your preferences and transform them into a visually compelling logo. The process is remarkably streamlined, allowing users to navigate the intricacies of logo design with ease. Within the span of 5 minutes, Looka Logomaker empowers businesses to articulate their design preferences through a user-friendly interface, resulting in a logo that not only aligns with their vision but is also a testament to the platform's efficiency. To initiate the logo creation process on Looka, users are prompted to input their company name and specify the sector in which they operate. This initial input serves as a pivotal anchor, offering Looka Logomaker insights into the distinctive characteristics and industry nuances that should be reflected in the logo. Armed with this information, the AI engine kicks into action, generating unique logo ideas that encapsulate the essence of the business. One notable feature that distinguishes Looka from its counterparts is the emphasis on user interaction and choice. Beyond the initial inputs, users are granted the opportunity to fine-tune their preferences by selecting ideal logo styles, colors, and symbols. This interactive approach ensures that the final logo is not merely a product of automation, but collaborative creation that resonates with the business owner's aesthetic sensibilities. The dynamic interplay between artificial intelligence and user preferences positions Looka Logomaker as a versatile and accommodating tool for businesses of all sizes and industries. The platform's commitment to a user-centric experience is evident in its intuitive interface, which caters to both novice users and those well-versed in design principles. In conclusion, Looka emerges as a fitting choice for businesses seeking a harmonious blend of artificial intelligence and user engagement in their logo creation journey. Its ability to distill individual preferences into visually striking logos, coupled with an interactive interface, makes Looka a valuable asset for businesses striving to make a lasting visual impact in 2024. As the business landscape continues to evolve, Looka stands ready to empower businesses with the tools needed to articulate their unique brand identity through a meticulously crafted logo. Previously, crafting a business logo demanded significant time and financial investment. However, with the progression of artificial intelligence, a variety of AI-driven logo makers have emerged. These platforms can swiftly generate a polished logo for your business within minutes, and notably, several of these services come at no cost. Ultimately, this exploration will help you pinpoint the AI logo maker that best aligns with your needs. So, which AI logo tool captures your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section and be sure to give us a thumbs up. Share this content and subscribe for more insights on AI. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.